Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Now, children, without delaying, let us go to our topic in English Chintu and the Chicks. What is the lesson name? Chintu and the Chicks. Okay, children, before going to the lesson, we will learn some CH sound words. CH. See, children, when C and H sound, yes, children, when C and H sound together, then we call it as CH. 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 Sound word. See children, some words are given, no? CHAT, chat. CH we are pronouncing, no? CHAT, chat. CHAP, chap. CHASE, chase. CHAIN, chain. Ch we are pronouncing. CHAIR, che. LUNCH, lunch. HUNCH, hunch. BUNCH, bunch. MUNCH, munch. RICH, rich. DITCH, ditch. PITCH, pitch. BITCH, bitch. TEACH, teach. SPEECH, speech. REACH, reach. CHALK, chalk. CHECK, check. TOUCH, touch. CHERRY, cherry. CHICK, chick. CHERRY, cherry. CHIN, chin. CHOCO, LATE, chocolate. You are pronouncing chocolate, no, simply. CHOCO, LATE, chocolate. See, these are sound words. CH, sound words. Yes, children. Now, see, children, in Chintu and the Chicks lesson, some new words are also there. See, children, what is the first one? NICE. What it is? NICE. Nice. Nice means good. Next one, CUTE. 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 Cute means lovely or pleasant. Yes, children. Cute. 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 Lovely. Next, SCHOOL. 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 You know, no, children? Everybody knows school, no? Do you miss your school? Even I also miss. Yes, children. I also miss school. Yes, children. SCHOOL. School. Next, WRITE. Write. Write means writing. Yes, children. Do you like writing? Yes, good children. See here, some difference is there between WRITE, write, and RAGHT, write. See children, RAGHT, write means putting tick mark, no? Right. Yes, right or wrong, right mark we are putting, no, children. That is called right. RAGHT, right. WRITE means write, writing. See, write means to make words or letters, especially on paper, using a pen or a pencil. Yes, children, that is called writing. Everybody knows, no? WRITE, write means writing. Now, see, children, we will start the lesson. We will start the lesson. See on the screen, children. Yes, picture is there, no? Yes. Now, I will read first para. Chintu. Chintu. Chintu is a rich boy. Chintu has chubby cheeks. Chubby cheeks. Chicks. Chintu has chubby cheeks. Chintu has a cute chin too. Chintu has a cute chin too. Chintu has 5 chicks. See children, look at the picture. Such a big house is there, no children, on the screen. See the picture. Such a big house. And there is a car also. Observe or not children? There is a big car is also there. There is a car also. And the boy. Who is the boy children? Chintu. Very good children. Yes. He is Chintu. Look at his cheeks. See children, look at his cheeks. How it is? Chubby cheeks. See children, he has chubby cheeks. Puffed cheeks. Yes children. Puffed cheeks, no? Puffy cheeks. Yes, chubby or puffy, same meaning only. Chubby cheeks, puffy cheeks. And his cheeks also cute. See children, and his cheeks also cute. Yes, and his chin and cheeks also cute. Chintu has a cute chin. Yes children, cute. And he is playing with his 5 chicks. Chintu has 5 chicks, no children. See, count children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chicks. And he is playing with 5 chicks. Chintu is playing with his 5 chicks. Yes children? Okay. Now we will go to second para. Come on. Chintu and the chicks eat the lunch. The chicks sits on a bench. Chintu sits on a chair. The chicks eat cherry and cheese. Chintu eats chilled chocolate. Chintu eats a hot chapati too. What a nice lunch. See children, here Chintu and the chicks, they are eating the lunch. Yes children, in the second para, Chintu and the chicks, they are eating the lunch. The chicks are sitting on a bench. See children, the chicks are sitting on a bench and Chintu sits on a chair. Yes children, Chintu sits on a chair and the chicks, they are sitting on a bench. Yes, see children, see the picture. Yes. Now, what do they all eat? Come on, tell me, what do they all eat? The chicks, they eat cherry and cheese. The chicks eat cherry and cheese. And Chintu, he eats chilled chocolate. Very cool. Chilled means very cool. So cool. Yes, chilled. Chilled means so cool. He eats chilled chocolate. And he also eat a hot chapati. And he also eat a hot chapati. What a nice lunch. So, see children here. They all eat very tasty and delicious lunch. Here, Chintu and 5 chicks, they are eating very tasty and delicious lunch. Why? The chicks, they like very much cherry and cheese. The chicks eat cherry and cheese and Chintu, he eats chilled chocolate and hot chapati also. So that it's very tasty and delicious lunch. They had very tasty and delicious lunch. Now we'll go to another para. See children. Yes, Chintu goes to school. The chicks go to school too. See children, all of you observe the picture. Chintu goes to school. The chicks go to school too. The children feel happy. A chick has a chalk. Look at this chick. The chick writes 1, 2, 3. So what happened in the story children? Here. Come on tell me. After eating lunch, Chintu goes to school. And the chicks also follow him. And they also go to the school. Yes children. Chintu goes to school. The chicks go to school too. That means here Chintu after lunch where he went? He went to school. Like that the chicks also following him and they also go to school. Chintu goes to school. The chicks also go to school too. What happened children? What happened in the story? After eating lunch, Chintu goes to school and the chicks also follow him and they also go to the school. Yes children, they also go to the school. All the children in the school feel happy to see the chicks. Yes children, like you only, you also feels very happy no children by seeing chicks, pet dogs, like that you are very happy to see such pet animals no, like that. These people also, all the children in the school feel happy to see the chicks. Okay children, they all start playing with the chicks. Here Chintu and his friends and chicks, these all are playing. Yes children, here Chintu and his friends also, they also start playing with chicks. See here, what one chick do children? What one chick do? See the picture all of you. He takes a chalk and writes 1, 2, 3 on the board. See children, one chick, what it has done children? Here, one chick, he takes a chalk. Chalk means chalk piece. Yes, he takes a chalk and writes 1, 2, 3 on the board. Oh, the chick is very smart. Oh, children, it's very smart, no children. Chick is writing 1, 2, 3 numbers on the board. Even we are also by seeing that scene, we feel very happy, no children. So here Chintu and his friends also feels very happy. Why? Because one of the chicks is writing something, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. It's writing numbers on the board. So it's very smart. See children, the chick is very smart. Yes, all of you understood this lesson? Chintu and the chicks? Yes? Okay. Come on, tell me children, how many chicks are there? How many chicks does Chintu have? Can anyone tell? How many chicks does Chintu have? Yes, 5. Very good. Who has chubby chicks? Can anyone tell? Yes, good children. Yes, Chintu. Who has chubby cheeks? Chintu has chubby cheeks. Very good children. Okay, this is the end of the lesson. Your homework is CH. Before going to the lesson, I told some words, no children, CH, sound words, that you learn and write one time. That is your homework. Okay children? Yes, understood or not? Understood all of you? CH, sound words are there, no children. Before lesson I gave you some words that you learn and write one time. This is your homework. Okay children? Bye. See you tomorrow.